Well, hello everybody. Welcome back to Reviews of Moose. I have another Funky Brims cap to review here. This one here is the Matchwork Italian Linen Patchwork Cap by Hologram Paris. And let's go ahead and show you what this bad boy looks like. This one here is a patchwork. It's kind of like an 8-panel. Yep, 8-panel patchwork, kind of like a peaky type hat by Hologram Paris. Pure linen, it says. Here's the inside. It's more of a summer cap, it looks like, which is fine with me. And, of course, you got the linen sticker there. Hologram Paris logo here, size 59. And, yeah. So, I don't own a patchwork cap like this before in an 8-panel. But we're going to go and show you a close-up. I'll be right back to try it on and show you the close-up first. All right, so here's a close-up of the patchwork 8-panel again. This is the Matchwork Italian Linen Patchwork Cap by Hologram Paris. Just look like a fun cap to wear. Of course, you got the inside, Hologram Paris. And I believe this should say 59. Linen. Barcode, and that's I guess that's the name of it as well. Of course, you got the linen sticker in there. But yeah, great looking cap. We're going to show this bad boy a try on now. All right, so we got the cap here. This is again by Funky Brims. This is the Matchwork. Love the pinwheel style. Now it's the try on period. And if I'm going to really like it, I have a feeling this is really lightweight. I like lightweight caps. Yeah. Yep. 59 is the way to go, man. Yeah. I just don't know what to say anymore. I mean, these caps I've been getting lately, they're all hitting the nail right on the head. How does that look? Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Shoo-wee. And Chris and his wife over at Funky Brims, you can watch your live streams on, I believe they're on Thursday nights, Wednesday or Thursday nights. And then we got the Gentleman's Roundtable on Tuesday nights. Again, Reviews of Moose here. Please like, comment, subscribe. I'll put a link in this cap at Funky Brims. Yeah, amazing cap. Great job, Chris and his wife over at Funky Brims. This one is a great one. This will definitely be worn in the summertime. And I'm going to have to step up my wardrobe to match the fashion of this cap. Again, please like, comment, subscribe. See you guys next time. Another Funky Brims coming up here shortly. And stay tuned. See you guys soon.